Visit academylms.net and get free LMS templates. Academy LMS has to offer ready LMS templates to make your website on the fly. Now it's time to make your LMS website effortlessly with nice and interactive LMS templates. Visit and choose your favorite one by creating a preview. Keep in mind your desired template and copy the name or remember it. To take a live preview of a full template pack with all pages, just click the arrow where I show you. Nice, huh? Look around in detail. Now let's see how to import the ready template into your website. Go to your WordPress website dashboard, move to the Plugins page and search aBlocks. aBlocks and Academy LMS help you create your website faster and make it easily customizable. Click Install and Activate. While the plugin is activated, we land on the aBlocks dashboard. Just go to Template Kits. Here, we will see all the ready LMS and other templates. Type to search the desired one, or scroll to find the best one for you. Here, we put our copied template name. It will appear. We have the option to live preview or import the template. While we import the template, we see the message instructions and required plugins. We also have another option to import the template from the Appearance menu. In the same way, we can preview the template. Let's move to Import. Click the Start Import button and hit Install and Activate to import the template with required plugins along with images. The process will be smooth, right? The template will import in a while. Just hit Visit Website, and now you can see the full template from your website. It will load directly from your website. The template will import the full pack with all headers and footers. We can customize anything if needed by clicking Edit Page or Edit Site. aBlocks has powerful controls to customize every aspect to make your website fully your brand. How was the journey? Interesting, right? Yes, that's how we can make your LMS website with a ready template. Thank you.